Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Find Your Own Way Oracle, a 45 card deck and guidebook by Ari Wisner. This is published by Hay House. Thank you so much, Hay House, for sending this my way. I am very excited because I really do enjoy the Transient Light Tarot that Ari also created. So if you had not checked this tarot out, I'll leave it over in the eye, or you can search it up on my channel. All right, this retails for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. Discover your true authentic path and find acceptance in the things you can and can't change. This oracle offers a guiding light for those seeking balance, inner joy, and a purpose-driven life. Whenever you're feeling adrift, this 45 card deck will ground you and help cultivate a connection with your higher spiritual self while keeping your feet rooted in the present. Above all, it offers a reminder of the love, wisdom, and courage that lies within us all. All right, let's open her up. Authenticity, strength, intuition, love, grace, courage, power, joy, transformation, creativity, empathy, permission. Aww. The bottom of the deck. Put that over here. Okay, so before we get into the cards, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook as always to get a understanding of the deck before we go through the flip through. So here's the table of contents. So we have how to introduce ourselves to the cards here. And then we have some daily spreads and then the interpretation of the cards, each with their own page number. Finding your own way through life is a balancing act between the practical and the spiritual, but you are your own compass. And like the 4 points on a compass, there are 4 elements to a more authentic path: your spirit or purpose, heart, mind, and body. All right. So be intentional about what you are asking when you're using these cards. Note your connections and challenges. Cute. Okay. Daily card, the Seeker with 3 cards, and the Compass spread with 5 cards. And then it goes into each of the cards' meanings. Okay, we'll dive deeper into that after this flip through here. Alrighty. Here's the back. We got a little compass there. It is a matte and not too thin, not too thick Hay House cardstock. I'm not mad at this. It shuffles usually really well, so it'll be a nice shuffle at the end. All right. No numbers, just art, and then I'll read what is written because sometimes it can be hard to see. So authenticity is contagious. Bottle of Dreams. That's really cool. Oh my gosh, this is giving me flashbacks to like theme parks when you get the sand art. Boundaries, not limits. Carve your own course. Love that. Just as water will carve its own course. Like crazy. Nature is phenomenal. Collaborate with the divine. I like the art style too. It's very fun, very vibrant, very poppy. Collect your own wisdom. Oh, that's fun. Courage within. I'm really liking the intuitive hits here with the art. Curiosity calls. Embrace the inner self. Express yourself. Forgive for healing. Growth is a spiral. Yes. Heart and mind. Honor change with grace. humility and confidence. I am present. Love that one. I am reconnected by joy. I balance work and rest. Inspiration in the unfamiliar. It will pass. Let your guard down. Love overcomes fear. My abundance begins inside. Oh, I love that. My growth makes ripples. Need or desire. Nothing defines you. Pause and release. Oh, perfectly imperfect. Powerful intuition. Reclaim what was once painful. Release shame. Root down to rise up. See each perspective. Share the burden. Small steps. Speak it into action. Spinning gold. Stillness brings revelation. Strong and vulnerable. Surrender. Temporary vessel of eternity. Ooh. The spark within. Wear your history with pride. You are nature. That's really cool. Your sacred garden. All right. Well, I'm excited to get to the guidebook. Some of those you could use as daily affirmations or turn them into a way to utilize it as affirmations. Shuffling just fine. I do want to check out the side-by-side here. Oh yeah, not an issue there either. And overhand, yep. All right, can we get a card to read, please? Okay, we're going to read for I Am Reconnected by Joy, with the little daisy chain. So they are listed alphabetically in the table of contents. So you can just go that way since there are no numbers on the card. Okay, I am reconnected by joy. Joy is not indulgent. It's a nourishing energy that connects you to your purpose. Fully embraced, joy can carry you through discomfort and sorrow. Your joy links you to your purpose, yet it's often not prioritized or is even discouraged. Reflect on past experiences. What activities or spaces have truly brought you joy? When have you felt safe, happy, and in flow? Reconnecting with joy takes practice amid responsibilities and distractions. Begin by honoring and acknowledging joy, closing your eyes to hold it for a moment. Affirm this joy with words and visualize its expanding like a flame. This joy is energy I receive with gratitude. This joy will never leave me. My spirit is realizing my purpose. By doing so, you harness the energy of joy and align with your destiny. Affirmation. May I receive joy and be energized knowing I'm worthy. That's awesome. I really do like that. I'm a sucker for an affirmation. I love them. I think that for me, they are a wonderful addition to my daily routines. So having an affirmation to pull from the card that you pulled, fantastic. I like how this is setting you up to reframe what's going on in your life. I like that it is giving you a way to kind of like reclaim your power and utilize things that we would often not utilize, like, you know, shame, nature, curiosity. All of these things can be helpful, especially when you're trying to balance out your day-to-day, when you're going through something, when you're wanting to find your own way. So I think this is wonderful. I think that, you know, if you feel called to affirmations, if you feel called to the artwork, if you feel called to, you know, supporting a queer author, this would be fantastic for you. I think this is fun. I look forward to getting to know it better. The art is beautiful. It's poppy. It's different. It's definitely one of those things that I can see myself popping on a card stand or propping up on an altar or, you know, journaling with. I definitely think that there's something for everybody in this deck. So wonderfully done. I like it. I'm excited. And now I would love to know what you all think. Is this something you're excited about as well? Do you own the Transient Light Tarot? What are your thoughts? Please let me know all of them down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a rainbow emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this deck my way. I am very excited, like I said. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.